In the last video, we learned how to install Anaconda and how to run Jupyter Notebook from the Anaconda Navigator. Note that right now you are not actually running a notebook, but instead you are just running the notebook server. To create a notebook, let's go to the desktop first and create a new folder with the name Jupyter Notebook. Go into the folder and create new Python 3 notebook. Let's rename the Python notebook to Lesson 1. If you go to your desktop, you will see the new folder that we created, and inside it, the Python file.
Now our setup is complete, and we are ready to start Python programming. See you in the next class.